Look at all this loot! DJ, none for you!
Welcome back, I'm Captain Xavier, and you guessed it, still a fan of free stuff. That certainly hasn't changed. And what we have here is parts from a new source. These come to me from WorkerKit.com. They reached out to me and said that they were a new thing, and that would I like to look at a couple of random things. I said sure, so they sent me some thoroughly random things that I'm going to take a look at. The first one we have here is a Retaliator or Prophecy style pump grip, which is neat. And it's in a pale rose color, if you're into that sort of thing. Doesn't really go with my idiom. Not sure how good it would look on a Crimson or Gear Up Recon or Retalicon, but perhaps the White XD Retaliator might not look so bad with the right additional paint job and accent. That could actually look kind of nice. It comes with all of the necessary parts, bolts, screws, the posts that go into the bolt sled, and it actually comes with the appropriate Allen wrench for putting in the bolts, so that is really handy of them. It does have screw holes for putting on side rail if you really want that, and it has Picatinny rail on the bottom for attaching a foregrip for priming it, so that is pretty snazzy. Very cool. And the other thing they sent me is, I believe, a prophecy barrel, which, given that I don't have a prophecy, isn't entirely all that useful, but it is universal. I mean, it'll work with any Nerf blaster, so you can put it on a Retaliator if you felt like it. The inner barrel moves back and forth, so you can adjust it, and you can then attach whatever you want that attaches onto the barrels, the worker flash suppressors or muzzle brakes or any of those things. The suppressor-looking things. Quite nifty, and then it does have a locking nub, so it should lock onto any standard Nerf blaster. These two parts, of course, work together to, that's how this one works. It just goes onto the bottom of Nerf rail, and on regular Nerf ones, you will need to Dremel out the stops that are in place, and often take out or somehow disable the attachment locking peg, but this one does not have any of that, so it slides fully and freely. Very, very nice. The barrel also came with these two extra parts, and despite the fact that the website has loads of pictures of this, I could not for the life of me figure out what exactly this is for. It looks like it is a tiny bit of extension, so you would be able to glue this piece in here and then glue it into the inner barrel, and you could therefore extend it slightly if you needed to do that for some reason. I'm not entirely certain that's what it is, and if I'm entirely wrong, please correct me in the comments, and I will put it in the description of the video. So check the description before commenting, make sure somebody else hasn't already explained it, and if there is no explanation, feel free to give me one, but that seems to be the most logical explanation to me. So there you have it. WorkerKit.com. They obviously sell primarily, if not exclusively, worker parts, and so anything and everything you want worker-wise should be available through there in one convenient location. And, yeah, let me know what you think I should do with these. Obviously, I should probably finally get my hands on a prophecy, which I've been, kind of eyeing for a while, but I already had a Caliburn, and I was going to build a long shot. The prophecy kind of seems superfluous, but, so there you have it. Go ahead and check out them. Let me know what you guys think of them. Let me know if there's anything on that site you would really like me to review, because I do like asking them to send me stuff that you guys have asked about, and not just stuff that I'm interested in. So take a look at their site. Let me know if there's anything there you definitely think I should review. And as always, thank you guys for watching.